birthday!
Woohoo!
Yay!
Is this
Dun,
more photo?
dun, 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 dun. That didn't last very long.
Yeah.
You're going right out. Yay, guys! Yay, Cole's excited. Oh! Cole flew out the Canada. It's your birthday, Griff!
Woohoo! Griffin! Happy
So
birthday!
He can't even hold in his excitement.
Yeah, right?
He just doesn't want to show it all at one time.
Yeah. It's like, what is happening? Am I getting old? 6 years old? Oh,
He's denying
guys,
the
you
fact that
shouldn't.
he's getting old.
You shouldn't have to. To you, happy birthday, dear Griffin, and Cole, happy birthday to you.
Well, that now, Griff, huh?
Yep. Right, Cole? Right, Cole? Right, Cole?
All right, guys, here's your
Right,
happy
Cole?
birthday cake.
Woohoo!
You ready, guys?
He's like, I don't
Happy
care about.
birthday.
Woohoo! Is it hot or is it fine? Happy birthday,
Yeah, Griff,
guys!
get it. Here, Griff.
Oh.
you had your own. Cole, yours is over here, hon. Here, Cole. Cole, here.
Do you like it, guys? Do you like it?
Cole, devoured hers.
Oh, wow.
Did you like it, guys?
Look, Griff is
Disappeared.
actually looking for it.
Yeah. Wow, I guess.
Woohoo! Happy birthday, Griff!
Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday.
Cole! Happy belated birthday, Cole!
Happy birthday, Cole.